Well, we know that it has a low pressure reading. We know that the AC clutch is not spinning, and we know that it's not getting power here, even though the relays over here read well. What that tells me is that since it won't take a charge, it has a leak in it somewhere. And right here is a telltale sign that this is a good leak source. Anytime you see oil on your high pressure side, then you know you have a leak. Without using UV dye or whatever dye you want to use, this is quite a bit of oil that has come out of here. That just means that the pressure switch is not coming on, because if it comes on, it may allow the compressor and the clutch to damage themselves. By not allowing the system to turn on, then it can't do that. So the next thing we're going to do is to take off this high side cap. Then we're going to take our valve core remover and loosen this, since there's absolutely nothing in the system to evacuate. Otherwise, I'd use an evacuation system. It'll go on there and you'll feel it fit real snug. You just want to turn it counterclockwise. You're going to grab it right here. And that's what it looks like right there. Then I'll put a piece of tape over here just for good measure anyway, so nothing gets in there accidentally. Then I'm going to loosen this with a 10mm socket. And that's that 10mm bolt. You can see all that compressor oil that's on it. And we'll put that in a safe place. Then we're just going to lift this up. You can see this O-ring right here. It goes around here. So we'll take that out. And see how I'm getting this out of here with this hook tool, and you just want to be careful here. Now I just have to match it up with my kit, and we'll put a new one on there. So I found the one that matches up with it the best, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. And you can tell how well it fits on there. And we'll just put it back down in the port where it belongs. You just want to make sure that this is on here good and tight without stripping it. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to replace the O-ring in this low side.